Hey everyone, you ever go to open your door and you just keep getting these red buttons and you're like, what the heck, I just changed the batteries. Look, it won't even lock, it won't do anything. I just changed the batteries like a month ago. It's ridiculous. I left the door unlocked so I could show you. So I've tried to troubleshoot everything I can. I cannot figure it out other than literally replacing the batteries, which gets expensive. So in the next video, I'm going to show you with the new batteries if it changes. But honestly, guys, I'm like this close to updating. So let me know if you've had this problem as well. Maybe you can tell me how to fix it, but I can't figure it out. So thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. You'll see it over here. Thanks. Okay, everyone, thanks for tuning in again. These are the old batteries. These are the new batteries. I just replaced it. Once again, this is the Kwikset door lock that was not working. Everything you pressed, you would just get blinking red lights and nothing would work. So I replaced the batteries on this all the time. It's getting super frustrating, but let's just see if it works this time. So you drop the batteries in like this. Okay, you should get a green light. That's a good sign. Let's see if it locks. Okay, so that was the problem. It wasn't getting power. Let's see if a code works. Code's not working. Let's try another code. Code's not working. So you can fix that, but it's just annoying, guys. You have to do this like all the time. Just press it once, put in your code. We'll just make this simple. 1, 3, 5, 7. Enter. That's like the enter button. Now let's see if it works. 1, 3, 5, 7. So that works, but once again, like I said, you've got to reset it all the time. It's super frustrating. So I am upgrading, guys. I have the new Yale door lock. It was like $100. I've had another Yale on a different door basically, and I love it. So if you like these videos and you're sick of the Kwikset, like I am, it's time to update. So I'm gonna post another video real soon. Should be right down here. Click it, watch it, and I'll show you how awesome this thing is and how crappy this thing is. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, so I'm installing a new Yale door lock on, you might remember, I'm replacing the Kwikset. Anyway, I just want to show you what's all in the box. So you've got nice batteries, you've got a hardware component box which has all of this cool gear that you're gonna need, every little thing. I know it's hard to see in the plastic, but everything that you need for success. Of course, your touchpad, and then this is the actual mount that goes on to the door. So I just wanted to unbox it and show it to you guys. It's pretty simple. I'm gonna show you how to put it all together. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, watch the next video. Hit subscribe, hit a thumbs up. See you soon. Thanks again. All right, guys, so if you're replacing your Kwikset and you want to take it off, you need to get the screws out of here that are wedged into your door. Right, so I've loosened them a little bit. They're pretty loose. If you can even see that, screws right there. Yep, there it goes. Now let's see what happens. This should come off. Okay, great. So it came off, and then now you need to unplug that little thing, which is really hard to do with one hand. So stay tuned for the next video, but that's the first step. Okay, so the next step is to disconnect the cord from that input right in the middle. See that right there? That was plugged in right there. So you unplug that, you loosen these screws with Phillips head, and the whole thing will come apart. So it's gonna be a little challenging with one hand, but let's see if I can do it. Okay, so like that mounting bracket should come off. They're real long screws too. Okay, so there you go, and then you just kind of feed that through here, through the hole, which once again is hard to do with one hand. Sorry guys, but you get that idea. So that's all loose, so that's good. And then that's just sitting in there. So now you've got to come around to this side. Should just pull right through. There you go. Make sure to be careful with your lock. That kind of falls loose. And there you go. Obviously I got to pull that little cord through there. That's how you get it out. Pretty simple. Took about 2 minutes. All you need is a Phillips head. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, so once you've pulled the cord through that hole that was right there, you'll have everything disassembled. All your parts are right there in case you want to keep it or put it somewhere else. And then the last thing that you need to do is just unscrew these two screws right here, which I'm not going to bore you, but this is how you do it. So I'm going to take that out, and then you're ready for your new Yale door lock. So stay tuned for that video. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe if you like these videos. I'm going to show you how to install this next. Okay everyone, so thanks for coming back. Once again, I'm installing this Yale door lock. Here's all the instructions, which are really helpful. This is also super helpful if you want to follow on your phone how to do it. You just need this built app. It's step by step. It's really nice. I'm gonna obviously show you by hand how I'm doing it, but here you go. So you just need 2 screws, the first step, and your deadbolt. This is really important too. Just make sure you have it up. See how simple they make it? You just take it to your door. Remember, we've removed the old lock, so there it is. You're gonna place it right in here. It should feel pretty snug. There you go. And then you just gotta put those 2 screws, one there, with your screwdriver. And you're in business. That's step 1. Stay tuned for the next video. Okay guys, so the next step is to figure out which screw, because there's 3 different ones, goes to your door. So if you pick up one of them, the gold ones for example, and you go to your door and it doesn't reach the end, you want it to get to the end, that's too small. Obviously the silver one is going to be too long. I already knew that. So ding ding ding, the winner is the bronze one, which is great because it matches everything, right? There it is. That's what you want. So measure your door with the screw, and obviously everyone's door is different. That's why it's nice that Yale gives you all 3. And that's the next step. Stay tuned for the next one. Okay guys, the next step is to put the face part through. So you gotta fit it underneath. Hopefully you can see that, maybe on the back side. See the cord comes through, and it should just naturally flow right in. Look at nice, snug, flush, beautiful. That's what you want. That's what your door lock's gonna look like. Isn't that so nice? Stay tuned. Here's the next step. Okay guys, the next step is you take this little screw up here. It might be hard to see. There's one there. You have to unscrew it with your Phillips. It's at the top. It's right there. You unscrew that and this all opens up. And then you have access to this guy, which is what you need next to go. Remember, we've got our Yale installed. There's the cord coming through. So the cord goes right through this hole where my pinky is. Might be a little hard to do it with one hand, guys, so bear with me. There we go. That was actually really easy. Woo. And so you gotta be careful with one hand, but it goes in, feeds through, and then your screws are gonna go in next. I'll show you how to do that. They're gonna go right in those 2 holes right there. Okay everyone, so the next step is to plug in. Hopefully you can see this. There's a little red dash so you can tell which way it goes in, but it's pretty self-explanatory. It snaps right in there, and then you want it to go under. Once again, a little hard with one hand, sorry guys. You want it to go under that little tab right there, and then feed it down in here. And then obviously this is gonna go inside to the guts of the door. And it should, sorry guys, there you go. Once you find the spot, it's gonna mount on there. And there you have it. Now you gotta screw it on. That's the next step. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so once you've got this back plate on, you need to find 3 of these screws. Hopefully you can see it on the end of this screwdriver. One's gonna go right there. One's gonna go right there. And this one is gonna go in the base. Hopefully you can see it right there. So obviously, hopefully you don't need to see how to put in a screw, but that's how you do it. So that's the next step. And then we're real close now, guys. So thanks for watching, subscribe, stay tuned, and I'll show you how to get this thing really hooked up. Okay everyone, so the last step is to make sure, first of all, that everything works, it flows, that's good. And then put in your battery and see what happens. It's nice that Yale gives you the batteries, so here you go.
Welcome to Yale Real Living.
Thank you for welcoming me. So now I'll show you what to do next. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Hit subscribe, hit thumbs up. Stay tuned. Thanks so much. Okay guys, so the last step is to put the cover on with one screw right at the top. Makes it nice and secure. Your Yale door lock is ready to go. There we go. Remove the little film. Here we go. It's nice that it shows you too, just in case you want a diagram. This is your wake up button.
Register master code.
Here's your
Press the gear key to continue.
here's your enter button down here, and here's your settings. When you remove this, you can't see that, so just keep that in mind. And I'll show you what to do next. All right, everybody, so you've got your Yale door lock installed. Hopefully you've put in your master code, which was super simple. Now open it up, put in your master code. Make sure you hit the wheel on the bottom, the settings.
Menu mode. Enter number. Press the gear key to continue.
If you want to set up a code for somebody in your
Register
family or
user code.
your cleaner
Press
or
the gear
somebody
key to continue.
to come into your house.
Press 1 to register a code. Press 3 to delete a code.
I'll just let the door lock
Register
tell you.
user code. Press the gear key to continue.
Pretty simple,
PIN
right?
code registration. Enter a 4 to 8 digit PIN code.
So 4 to 8, but we're just going to do a real simple one. It confirms it.
Registered. Press the check key to complete. Completed.
Apparently you can get up to 250 codes. Obviously, I don't know why somebody would need that, but let's check it. So you come to your front door, your cleaner's here, they want to open the door, somebody press the code, bam. It's that simple, guys. So this thing is awesome. If you like these videos, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Once again, I updated from the Kwikset to the Yale, and I am very, very happy. I'll keep you posted with how awesome it is, but love it so far, guys. There you go. Thanks for watching.